Coach Duckworth here. Got our hands on the Kickr Climb finally after a long anticipated wait. We're gonna do a unboxing here and test this bad boy out. Just unboxed it, and this is what you get in the box. Power cord, tire or wheel lever, instructions, and important notice because you have to understand that this does not work with all the Kickrs. It's got to be a 2017 or newer, the proper Kickr, and those are 4 different type of wheel sets. The through axle ones. These are the ones we'll be using. The wheel's gonna sit right on there. Got it all hooked up. It was super easy to set up. Just have to pull up the Wahoo Fitness app and pull up your Kickr. Connect. There was an update, so I did that. Don't mind my wires there. I'm gonna reconfigure those wires to look good. So let's try this baby out. Looks like up front you got this little piece right here that comes off and goes right into there. Oh, you don't do that very well. It sits nicely in there. But that is a controller that you can, even during a Zwift, go up and down. Put it on unlock, let Zwift take over. So you can stop it at any time if you want. Okay, so we saw the unboxing. You've seen how it works. Now here's my review after doing a long ride on it. I love it. I'm super biased because I love all of Wahoo's products. They're extremely innovative company, constantly coming up with new ideas. Most are awesome, some not so awesome. I'd put this in the awesome category just because I ride Zwift, and also because I can see the functionality of doing your hill repeats on the Kickr with the Kickr Climb. There's other apps out there like Full Gas that you can use with this that I'm excited to try. And a lot of people have been debating whether to buy this or not because, these toys aren't cheap. But here's my sell on it. I purchased this because this is what makes my riding experience better. And if you're more comfortable, if you're having fun, then you will gravitate to wanting to bike and not having excuses to get out of it. So, if you have the money and you think, oh, this isn't gonna make me a better cyclist, think again, because the more you're happy, the more you ride. And that's why I purchased these things. This is my hobby. This is what I spend my money on. Another thing is I would never, ever talk poorly about something unless you've tried it. This is really cool, and I'm excited to use it through the winter and have it help me stay motivated to get up each morning and ride. So if you have the money, do it. I promise you, you won't regret it. And Wahoo makes a solid product. We waited 1.5 years for this thing, and I'm glad we did because they got it right instead of just throw something out there that didn't work. So anyways, that's my review on it. Definite buy. Hopefully getting a fan, headwood fan here. We'll do a review on that, and have a great day.